Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Gossip Funda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic Android System Web View. Android System Web View is a web browser engine developed in the Android operating system. It executes in such a possible way so that the web pages get open within the app. Anyone can inspect the multi-variety of web content with WebView. It is coded on the Android project from the beginning and can quickly update if needed. Applications. Application refers to a software program or a source code which handles multiple tasks. An application is developed using the following steps: gathering requirements, designing prototypes, testing, implementation, and integration. Each application is unique while performing its own tasks. There are three types of applications. First one is native applications, second web applications, and third hybrid applications. Let's understand these applications one by one, starting with the first application, native applications. Native applications are software programs which are native to that particular device and its operating system. These are viewed as a common type of apps. These applications are stored in app stores like App Store, Play Store, etc. on mobile or tablet. Native apps are programmed in environments like Xcode for iOS and Android SDK. Next is web applications. Web applications are the apps stored on the distant server which are carried by the internet using a web browser interface. The programming languages used in web apps are JavaScript and HTML5. Client-side programming utilizes these languages in developing the front end of an application. Server-side programming uses languages such as Python, Java, and Ruby. Third one is hybrid applications. Hybrid apps are a combination of both native and web apps. They can be installed on the device and parallelly gets connected to the internet. These apps are programmed using HTML, CSS, or JavaScript, and they can be viewed in a web view. The hybrid app has two stages of design. The back-end code is written in languages like JavaScript, HTML, or CSS. A native shell downloads the source code using a web view. Moving to our next topic, how to install the WebView app from the Android OS versions above 7.0. In Android, Nougat, Google Chrome forms as a replacement for the WebView app. Chrome takes up the responsibilities of WebView app. This is the reason why the WebView is disabled in Android Nougat. Next is, what are the advantages to choose Chrome over WebView? First one is, by disabling the WebView app, one can save battery life and background apps will run at a faster rate. Second, Chrome is more efficient and standalone APK compared to WebView. Third, WebView will consume a large amount of RAM space while running. Last but not the least, conclusion is, to increase or sustain the performance of the device, it is best to use the default system apps. If the device version is Marshmallow and below, enable the Android System WebView from the better execution. For Android versions 7.0, Chrome will be the best option in substituting the WebView. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share it. And don't forget to write your comments in the comment box. Thank you everyone.